Hello, Tom Nelson here from Just Bottle Shots. And if you want to go to my website, it is at justbottleshots.com. And today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to actually straighten a wine bottle and center it on the page. So let's get started. And the first thing I'm going to do is bring up Photoshop. And what I have here is a bottle that is separated from its background. And as you can see, it's not centered or straight on the page at all. So let's go ahead and do that. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in holding the control key and the plus key. And then we're going to go over right to our toolbar here and we're going to select the eyedropper tool here and the ruler tool, which is right here. The ruler tool, and what I'm going to be able to do is go on just one edge of this bottle. I'm going to draw a ruler line down right along that edge. If I make a mistake, all I have to do is go back and start over again. The original line will go away and a new line will be laid down. Get that right next to that edge. And then instead of going to what we would normally do, which is edit rotate, or what we'd normally think, something in the transform, there's a rotate menu here. What we want to do is actually go to the image and go to image rotation and go to arbitrary. And Photoshop is smart enough to put in the exact angle that will bring that line right back to perfectly vertical. So we click OK and let Photoshop do its magic. And boom, we take a guide by just dragging from the ruler on the left over to the bottle, and we can see that that left edge is now perfectly vertical. But the right edge, because the bottle is actually tapered, we'll zoom out again, is not straight up and down. And that makes it always a little bit more difficult. So what we're going to do is zoom back in. We'll move this layers menu out of the way. We're going to go right back into our rulers tool, which is still selected. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the right side of the bottle. Select, go down a little ways, draw a nice straight line. Go back to the image pull down. Go to the image rotation, go back to arbitrary. And this time it is at 1.81. So instead of taking it and making that right side go perfectly vertical, we wanted to just go halfway. So that would be if my math is right, 0.905. So we're going to put in 0.905, hit OK, let Photoshop do its magic once again, and now select the move tool. So we can see our little guide marks here. We can see that the left and the right now have the same gap from the shoulder down. And if I zoom out, we can see that that bottle is perfectly vertical once again. So now that we've got the bottle vertical, let's center it in the page. And Photoshop again makes this quite easy for us. We're going to use the move tool, make sure we have the proper layer selected. We just left click on the bottle and start moving it around. And as we move it to the left, you'll see a purple line appear, and that is it in a horizontal way. We are now centered horizontally. Now if I move it up slowly, we'll see the vertical line, center line appear, and now I am centered vertically as well. And that, got to keep it there, and now that bottle is perfectly in the center of the canvas. And it was that simple to straighten that bottle, make it go up and down. Even if the bottle is tapered, we just again use the image and the image rotation, use the arbitrary, and let Photoshop do 99% of the work for us. So thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up in YouTube. If you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe. And also, if you would like to get regular emails, please go to the website at justbottleshots.com and register, and we'll keep you up to date with everything that I am doing. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have fun photographing bottles.